Hi everybody, my name's Dane. I'm here today to talk to you about this GrimmSpeed adapter. This is part number 077044, and this is going to be the specific adapter to mate a 3-inch downpipe to a stock size catback. So this is made from high-grade steel. It's zinc coated, as well as the hardware too. So this is something that should stand the test of time for sure. And the way that this works is your factory catback system, and this is for fitment on 04 to 21 STI, 02 to 26 WRX, multiple Subaru fitments, turbocharged Subaru fitments. So this is where your OEM donut style gasket will go. And this is going to be the 3-inch flange section. So this is where the 3-inch downpipe is going to connect to, and then you put your donut gasket in here, and the mid-pipe, stock style mid-pipe will connect here. So again, this is going to be needed if you are planning on using a 3-inch downpipe and a stock or stock style, as in using a 2.5-inch size donut gasket mid-pipe connection on your Subaru. So if you need that, we got them. And like with anything GrimmSpeed, you can expect great fitment, great quality products, and they also stand behind them completely. So if you got that 3-inch downpipe and you're looking to mate it to a stock catback because you like to be stealthy, head on over to importimageracing.com.